I'll show a few more of my rocks here. These are some grinding stones. That's the grinding side. You can see it's chipped out here for your hands, for you to fit right in there. They got that figured right to the T. But that's a pretty nice grinding stone. This one here's a pretty simple one. Grinding edge. Of course, you can tell thumb goes in there. There's a hole over here on the other side. And then an indentation right here in the front. It's a pretty nice little grinding stone. And this one here, grinding edge. This one here, you can see for your thumb. And then look over here where your hands go. It's all worn. This one was used pretty good here. Here's one like that little one I showed in that other video. It's just about the same. It just don't have this. It's got a little bitty one here on the top where your hand rides in it. And I believe in that other one, your hand faced this way, and on this one, they've got it where your hands faced. You can see right there where it's been. Pretty nice little grinding stone. And then here's one pretty. Right here for your thumb. This whole side over here is for your hands, but here in the front for your front finger to latch in. This one here, this one was well used grinder here. Right in here for your thumb. Right here on this side for your finger. And then that little chip for your back finger. And here's a pretty nice one. This one here's for your thumb. Here's for your other finger where it's wore there. And there's for your other fingers. You can see on that little one there where it's wore quite a bit. And this one here is kind of works in every way. This one's kind of a crusher, a chopper. They've got that top pretty. You can see here where this one, I don't know if you can see that, but it's smoother right there where it's been used. Where your fingers fit right in there. So you can kind of see where that's been used. That's a nice little grinder. Then I've got a rock here that it's not a grinder. Just looks like a stinking old rock here. But right here's the end they're using. And this one was doing some heavy pounding. Because this is how this one fits. You notice these, how it's broke off there flat. That fits in your hand just like that. It's kind of crazy. And then your thumb goes over that area right there. Your thumb goes in there and it fits. And then see here, places for your fingers to fit in. And it's to crush with. I'll guarantee you crush some stuff with it. That's a big old rock. If it hadn't been for this up here, I probably wouldn't have picked this rock up. But there's just something about it that I could tell it was a tool. That's just amazing how they fit that in there. But they didn't have cars to work on or stuff to work on. This one, I'm not much of a effys or faces or whatever, because everybody's got their own opinion. But on stuff like where they made dents for your fingers, no, that's not an effy. That's real. You can tell that's been done on every one of these. You can tell it's been chipped out for your hand. But this one I'm going to show you, I believe this was done on purpose, and I think it was done for a pace. It's pretty crazy, but I think that's just pretty good. How they chipped it from clear down here in the corner, just the edge right here. Just the edge all around. Then you can see this right here, where they've chipped it out right here, and you got a beard and a mouth and nose and eye and side of a face. It's just pretty, I don't know. That's pretty crazy. But I've got a lot of rocks here, and this one just showed up pretty obvious. When I seen it, it was pretty obvious, and I've got some other ones that are. But that's all.